Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a quick video on automatic hatch struts for your E53 X5. For those that know, the hatch is pretty heavy for the gas struts on the E53, so sometimes when you press the unlatch button and then you close the door again, the movement of the car will relatch the hatch. So that's kind of annoying. Basically, this puts it out just 6 inches, far enough so it doesn't relatch, but it doesn't send it all the way up because I don't want it hitting the low garage door. This is an 03 X5 with the original gas struts, so you can indeed take this ball socket off without any issue. Now let's get to the details of the spring itself. So this is a blue die spring that I bought off eBay. Dimensions are 3/4 inch hole diameter, so that's your OD. 3/8 inch rod diameter, so that's your ID, and 2.5 inches long. And then I pair that with the 1/4 inch flat washer. So if you're unsure, or if you have aftermarket gas shocks and you want to make sure that this spring dimension works for you, measure the rod diameter here. It should be about 8 millimeters for an OEM spec one, or just it has to be less than 3/8, which is about 10 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters, and then you want to measure your compressed length of your spring, or you want to measure the compressed length that your spring should be. You take a zip tie, wrap it around the rod, and then you shut your hatch. It should probably sit right around here, but basically you measure from where the zip tie lands to the end of the ball socket here, and then you'll be able to find your max compressed length. There's not that much to it. Taking this thing off is very simple. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you take off this metal retainer and then it just pops off. Secure the other side with a locking vice grip because this won't hold itself otherwise. And that's that. I have zero issues closing this because, well, as you can see, the spring's not too strong. This didn't latch all the way, so you do need to give it a firm push, like that, for it to latch. Otherwise, you're good to go. And then the last benefit of this is you do not get as many hatch rattles because the spring puts constant tension or pressure on the latch to keep it open, so it doesn't rattle up and down and makes that awful noise that you usually hear from these X5s. So thank you guys for watching. A quick overview on automatic hatch struts.